Hi everyone. So we're going to do a little experiment about rain clouds. You'll see it in a few minutes with my kids. Just wanted to say to start, some water in a 2-cup measuring cup, blue food coloring, a clear container. I used part of my kids' sippy cups, and then I used a dropper, medicine dropper, and then a dropper, cool fun one for them to do. Super simple, and also some shaving cream. It'll be your cloud. Hope you have fun.
We have the water in the cup, and we're gonna let Maverick do some squirting. Ready?
Oh, look, you want to try?
Oh boy, look! Look down there! Do you see the water? Do you see it? Here, B. You wanna do like this? And there you go. Go ahead, B. You can do it. Here. Come on, Maverick. Gotta insert it. Oh boy. Do you see it on the other side? You wanna do it? You wanna do it? And I'm sure at some point my son is just gonna go right into the shaving cream. And as it gets heavier, it kind of, just like as it rains, the clouds drop rain because the water gets heavy and the raindrops fall out. It's the same thing with the shaving cream. As you add more to one spot, it'll start dropping down. Or you'll wind up, okay, good, B. There you go. You see the blue and the water and the shaving cream. Okay, B. Yep, there you go. And we've reached inside of our... Where did your dropper go, Maverick? Did you hide it inside the cloud? My daughter is just mixing it. They 100% will get, I know that they're going to get into it. Like, what are you doing, B? Did the rain cloud explode? It sure did. BB is the R for rain. You're gonna color it nice. We go for R. R is for rain. You figured out. Yeah, Maverick, how about you? R is for rain.